Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Realpage Onesite for 2025. In this video, we'll explore its key features and functionalities to help you manage your properties efficiently. Let's dive into the Onesite dashboard. Here, you can access all the essential tools at your fingertips. Managing leasing processes has never been easier with Onesite's advanced features and best practices. Let's understand how. Onesite streamlines communication with tenants, making management a breeze. Here's how you can enhance tenant relationships. Understanding your data is crucial for informed decision-making. Let's explore how Onesite's reporting tools can help. Integration is key for maximizing efficiency. Learn how Onesite collaborates seamlessly with other Realpage solutions. Keeping your system efficient is vital. Onesite offers routine maintenance and support to ensure your operations run smoothly. As we look to the future, let's outline the exciting updates and innovations that Onesite is rolling out in 2025. Maximizing your Onesite experience starts with user training. Discover available resources to enhance your skills. In conclusion, Onesite continues to be an industry leader in property management. Thank you for following along in this guide.